Best guide on how to earn money as a real estate agent. Real estate business is amongst the most rewarding businesses. Therefore, the more properties you sell, the more money you earn as incentives. But unfortunately, most real estate agents fail to meet their selling targets due to lack of selling skills and for various reasons. One of the reasons is that they do not explore different ways to sell properties. Making money in real estate business is relatively easy due to the rapid expansion of the residential and commercial market for properties. You only have to be a little tricky to convince the potential buyers. But if you want to be a dedicated real estate agent, you would first like to know how the agents make money. You should also get some advice to become a successful real estate agent. Here are 7 tips on how to earn money as a real estate agent. Before we start, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell icon to never miss important updates from us. Number 1. Become a buyer's agent. Most of the real estate agents become agent to make money. Such an agent works for the people who are planning to buy a house. The main job of agent is to take the clients to the sites where houses are available for sale and also write offers on houses for the buyers. These buyers are dependent on the agent to take care of every document and payment process until the transaction is complete, even though their earnings depend on the number of buyers on the list. Moreover, finding out the property for sale and showing them to the buyers can be time-consuming. So, you must dedicate a lot of time and consider hiring a coach and other to obtain best guides on how to become a successful real estate agent. Number 2. Make money by selling short sales. A short sales in real estate is an offer of a property at an asking price that is less than the amount due on the current owner's mortgage. This usually occurs when the housing market is in a down period, which usually causes sales to slow in many regions. In that situation, a listing real estate agent negotiates with the bank and convinces it to take less money. If the bank accepts the amount, the agent can then list the seller's home normally. This is known as a short sale. But the negotiations with the banks may take many weeks, even months before it accepts the offer. The agent will also be completing all the legal processes associated with such a short sale. Number 3. Become a property manager. Another way to earn money as a real estate agent is to manage the properties for homeowners and investors. This job includes managing, maintaining and repairing the properties, finding renters, collecting rent and keeping a close eye on accounting. The owner of the property will pay you a percentage of the rents collected on the monthly basis. Most of the property managers get 10% of the collected rent. The property managers earn money also as leasing fees. However, to earn more, you should take many properties under your fold for management. This way, you will ensure a consistent stream of monthly income. One of the different ways to sell properties as a manager is to display them on a website. Create a dedicated website that has all the details of residential and commercial properties along with their images. Number 4. List homes for sellers. However, to earn more, you should take many properties under your fold for management. This way, you will ensure a consistent stream of monthly income. One of the different ways to sell properties as a manager is to display them on a website. Create a dedicated website that has all the details of residential and commercial properties along with their images. However, to earn more, you should take many properties under your fold for management. This way, you will ensure a consistent stream of monthly income. One of the different ways to sell properties as a manager is to display them on a website. Create a dedicated website that has all the details of residential and commercial properties along with their images. Number 5. Become a commercial real estate agent. Commercial real estate agents earn a lucrative income. They are paid good monthly salary, whereas residential property agents get paid on the commission basis. In other words, commercial real agents earn much more than their residential property counterparts do. This is because the commercial agents have extensive knowledge of valuation of commercial properties. This way, you can start your real estate business successfully and earn more. You can learn how to get real estate leads to become a real estate agent as well. There are thousands of designers with this marketplace. You can invite one of these designers to work for you on a one-to-one basis. In conclusion, there are plenty of earning opportunities available to a real estate agent. The agent can function as a buyer's agent or make money by selling short sales, list homes for sellers, or even work as a property manager. You can explore these different fields using your vast experience of selling properties and start earning money for lifetime. That will be all for today. Please subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.